So today is the 8th of March 2019. This is 2017 XC60 D3, 2-liter 4-cylinder 150 bhp automatic transmission model. Since a couple of months it's been making some kind of whistling noises. It went to the service just basically like 1 week ago. The car is still on the warranty. What they did, they checked pressure in the intake. They did some tests. They also checked the tubing and regenerated DPF, but as you might expect, there was no difference. So basically now we will try to fire it up and we will see. The car has 44,057 kilometers. And I'll just put the camera outside and hopefully it will catch the noise.